and welcome back to my channel. I am Shamela and you're watching Shami's Kitchen. Today let's make Mutton Seekh Kebab Biryani. So well balanced, so aromatic. Biryani is an emotion. Everyone has their favorites and always favor one over the other. Okay, now coming to the recipe. Today I'll explain you step-by-step process. So watch this video till it ends, and if you like this video, share it and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's make it. Bismillah. First step is to make Mutton Seekh Kebab. In a blender, add 2 roughly chopped onions, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 3 to 4 green chillies. Close the lid and pulse it twice. Once done, squeeze the onion mix, remove excess water from it and set this aside. Second step is to add 500 grams mutton keema into a blender and blend it for half a minute. And now transfer this keema into a bowl. And next I'm going to add the onion mixture. One tablespoon papaya paste or meat tenderizer, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon black salt, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon Mutton Seekh masala, it's optional, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon ghee. Combine all the ingredients with keema. Goes in some finely chopped coriander leaves and add 2 tablespoon besan. Give this a very nice mix. It's time to give charcoal smoke. Now place red hot charcoal. Drizzle few drops of oil on it. And now close the lid and leave it for 10 minutes. And also marinate this Seekh Kebab mixture for an hour. After an hour, take a skewer and make in the shape of Seekh Kebabs as directed. And now heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add the kebabs to the pan and fry till it becomes golden brown. Once done, remove these Seekh Kebabs from the pan and set this aside. Third step is to make yakhni. Heat 1 cup oil in a pan. Add leftover oil of Seekh Kebabs. Add 3 sliced onions. Saute till it becomes translucent. And to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for a second. Goes in half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 green chillies, 3 sliced or chopped tomatoes, and to this I'm adding 2 teaspoons salt. Give this a very nice mix. And next I'm going to add some fresh mint leaves, some finely chopped coriander leaves. Give this a very nice mix. And now add 3 to 4 tablespoon curd. Mix this nicely. Before you close the lid, squeeze half lemon in it and then slow cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Fourth step is to parboil the rice. Add enough water to boil the rice. Goes in 3 teaspoons salt, squeeze half lemon in it, close the lid and bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, add 4 cups of soaked basmati rice and cook for 6 minutes on high flame till the rice is 80% done. And now let's check the yakhni. Add half of the fried mutton seekh kebabs in it. Be very gentle while you mix it. And next I'm going to close the lid and slow cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, set this aside. And now check with the rice, it's almost done. Now strain it. Fifth step is to assemble the rice and yakhni. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons ghee in biryani pot. Next I'm going to add the rice. And now layer it with yakhni. And now top up with the rice. Again layer on with yakhni. And now top up with rice again. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons ghee on top of the rice. Sprinkle some saffron. Goes in half cup milk. Place leftover seekh kebabs on top. Wrap it with foil. Close the lid tightly and slow cook for 10 to 15 minutes. And the Mutton Seekh Kebab Biryani is ready to serve with raita or any side dish of your choice. Juicy pieces of mutton seekh are fried and then cooked with biryani to give you a dish that the entire family will enjoy. And serve this Mutton Seekh Biryani with raita, mirchi ka salan or baby salad. Keep simple accomplishments, but a good biryani doesn't need much. And that's a wrap. Make sure you guys try this recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Take care and have a nice day.